Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this colourful, beautiful autumn pumpkin cake. Easy to make, cool to decorate. Start by rolling a ball of orange fondant icing. Then, using a tool, mark the segments for a pumpkin. Now poke a hole in the middle and use some brown fondant icing for the stalk. Now get a basic vanilla cake and layer it with light blue buttercream icing, covering it completely and smoothing it out. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes till it sets. Then slice off one side of the cake. Remove it from the display board and then pop it sideways on a new one. And now we just need to cover the open part of the cake. Perfect. Time to decorate. We're starting with brown buttercream icing, making big flower-like patterns. And then some white in between. Lovely. Now for some orange and some light blue buttercream. Decorate till your heart's content using a variety of piping nozzles for different effects. A little bit more white. Stick on a few silver sprinkles. We've got giant ones. And little pearls, some chocolate sprinkles, and then add your fondant pumpkin decorations. Amazing! Fancy a slice? Just look at that autumn pumpkin cake.